They're going to try and block your blessings and what you are destined for. But it's not going to work. Notice that I said try. So this person, their biggest fear is to see you stable. I'm hearing rich. Some of you don't even want to be rich. But one thing for sure is you are rich in spirit. And this person can sense it. They feel it. They know it. Whether or not they'll say it in those terms, you're just extremely abundant. And this person's fear is that you'll be financially abundant. They fear that you're going to be financially stable. They may even want to shake your stability in some way or the other and to affect you mentally. This person uses a lot of glamour magic. So they may present to be one way in front of others, but you can see through the facade and the trickery. And this person will try and invest in a situation behind your back and make sure that they sabotage something from you so that you don't gain something, so that you don't gain this family structure. This could be in a work environment. This could be in your personal life. They don't want you to have some type of happiness, and they see happiness all around you. They see that you are destined for success in your career, in a family, and they don't want you to have it. But they're going to be blocked by spirit. They're going to be met with a harsh reality that they are not God in your life, and what is for you will always be for you. There's a song, it's a Jamaican song, and the woman says, I'm going to link it with this video. It's called, I can't remember what it's called, but she says, it's my time, it's my place, it's my destiny. No one can't replace something what is meant for me. What is for you can't be unfeel, which means, she said, my granny said, what is for you can't, okay, basically she's saying her grandma said that what is for you, it can't be for you, meaning it can't be undone. So basically that's what I'm saying to you right now. I hope because I was trying to remember the words, so I'm going to link that song in the description box below. Basically spirit is saying it's sealed, it's done. All you need to do is just focus on your growth, continue to focus on your healing, continue to be the embodiment of love, to be in the vibration of love, to do things that you actually do love doing. And don't pay this clown no mind, because the fact that this jester thinks that they can come up against spirit and God and your ancestors, there must be a clown in it. All they need now is some juggling balls, like literally. And spirit is saying, not on my watch. You've got things to do. We have assigned you something to do. And this person is not going to block it. And this person's going to be so shocked that their plans of trickery haven't worked. They're going to be so shocked also to find that people are going to see through their facade. People are going to start sensing that they are toxic energy, that they are negative, that they are jealous of you. And this person is going to realize that they are going to fall from grace. All the manipulation, the spell work that they sent out is going to be returned. It's going to be blocked, and they are going to face karma for trying to tamper with your destiny. They're going to be exposed as a thief of joy. They're going to be exposed as jealous of you, and it's going to really, really affect this person, because this person has hidden behind a facade that they were better than you. But if they are better than you, why are they trying to stop and block something that they feel you will gain? They're indirectly telling you who they know you are, right? This person will gain a ruined reputation just for trying to come up against you. They're going to be so fixated on trying to destroy you and drag you, only to realize that they're going to end up destroying themselves. and they're going to be trapped in their misery. Any friends that they had in the past will disappear. People will not want to be in alignment with this person because the truth is going to be exposed about how they feel about you. They're so jealous of you. For some of you, they are in love with you. And the fact that you don't want them is making them behave in this manner. You are protected. You will be protected. Someone's going to come in and, I'm hearing, save the day. You're going to save the day, and this person's going to be